Yeah, say hi, everybody. Hi. There, Asha. Little stinker. Yeah. You want to show everybody how big you're getting? You're getting much better at this. Much better. Get it. Yeah. Yeah, you're doing a good job. Yeah. And there's Asha. She didn't want to be on her tummy. Didn't want to be on her tummy. Oh, do you want me to look at you? Look how cute you are. Got a toy with your foot. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, Pumpkin. Hi. Uh-oh, going to eat the blanket. Oh, some drool. Yeah. I'm getting done with it. You gotta use your arms. Use your arms. Gotta push up.